Welcome back again to Leadtek Display. I'm Harriet. Recently, we were audited and qualified the ISO 30485, and we want to share with you what is it and what's the mean for you. The ISO 30485 is an international standard that specifies the requirement for quality management system in the medical device industry. While ISO 30485 is not specified to the medical display application, but it plays a significant role in ensuring the quality, safety, and reliability in the medical device, including the medical display. Here are some key reasons why ISO 30485 certification is valuable for the customers in the display industry.
Quality assurance. ISO 13485 certification demonstrates that the manufacturer or supplier of medical display applications has implemented a robust quality management system. This certification assures customers that the products they are purchasing meet stringent quality standards and comply with regulatory requirements. Regulatory compliance. Medical display applications are subject to various regulatory requirements, such as those outlined by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration or the European Medical Device Regulation. ISO 13485 certification signifies that the manufacturer has established processes to comply with these regulations. Product safety and performance. Medical display applications are critical in healthcare settings, where accurate and precise visualization of medical images is essential for diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. ISO 13485 certification ensures that the manufacturer follows best practices for design, manufacturing, and testing to deliver displays that are safe, reliable, and perform to the required specifications.